of the peace, and inside of you is a piece of the peace. If only we could put it together, a greater peace will come together. The wounds of war are the same everywhere. There is no peace if there's war anywhere. It's just one world, so let's keep it alive. Destroy the earth and all of us die. Must agree that there's too many problems for us to live in apathy. We must protect this galaxy, not just for you and me, but for everybody's children's children, so they can have a world of harmony. Inside of me is a piece of the key to save humanity. Together we can make it better, so all of life can live forever. Agree that there's too many problems for us to live in apathy. We must protect our galaxy, not just for you and me, but for everybody's children's children, so they can